What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Cristiano Ronaldo. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page, we draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, all the way around towards the bottom, then bend that back up towards the top. I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we'll start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Let's add two smaller circles on the top of each eye for highlight. Come down and then up. And I'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now I'm going to go in between the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the nose. We're going to curve this down and then up. Let's move up and draw a shorter curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Now with the mouth, we just want to shift this up towards the right side. So we're going to start on the left, go across, then bend that up a little bit higher, add a bracket on the right side. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the eyebrows. Let's start on the left. We're going to go up. I'm just going to bring this down a little bit closer along the bottom. Step over towards the right, going up and then down. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to add some thickness going up towards the top and then down on the inside. And we'll fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now that we've completed the face, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out, curve the face, coming down, across the middle, just underneath the mouth, and just pull that up on the right side. Now from here, it's going to work our way across the inside of the hairline. We'll start by going up and in around the eyebrows, go out, and then in towards the top of the hairline. Now let's close off the top with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Now I want to brush the hair over towards the left side. So let's start from the top left corner, brush the hair going up and then down. And we're just going to add some layers across the top. We go up and then down. Add another curve going up and then down. Just continue going all the way around towards the right side. And just close this off with one more curve. Let's go back down to the side of the head, draw on the ears. We're going to go up, come around, and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, going up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now we want to close off the side of the head. From this point, we're going to step in, curve this out, down, and then in on top of the ear. Let's go over towards the right side, going out, down, and then in. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We're going to start over on the left side, bend the body going out, and then down towards the hip. Go to the right side, come down towards the same height, and we'll connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's go back up to the top and add the collar. On the left side, bend this down and in towards the middle point. Go out and then up. And I just want to trace these two curves along the top. Let's add the Nike symbol over on the left side, coming down and hooking that in. Go back, trace the inside. Now going over towards the right side, we'll draw the number 7. Go straight across, come down towards the bottom. I'm just going to trace this along the outside. Now going back to the center, step down and add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a small gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg, going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and then down towards the right heel. Now you want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, come down and then bend that up towards the toes. From the toe, we're going to curve the foot, going up, bend this down, aiming towards the heel, And just curl that back up toward the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and close off the leg. We'll start from the left side, bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to add some more detail to the legs and the shoes. Let's start with a thick sole across the bottom. We want to take this curve, step up, and trace that across on both sides. Let's go up to the top of the leg, add a curve, coming down and up for the edge of the shorts. Step up and add a thin trim on both sides. Now I want to come down and add another curve for the edge of the socks. And then one more curve for the trim. Now I want to go back to the side of the body and draw the inside edge of the arms. Halfway between the chin and the hip. Start right here, bend the arm going out and down towards the wrist. And then from the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb. Just close off the end with a small bracket. Now you want to add 3 fingers on either side. So starting underneath the thumb, I'm just going to bend this down and around that bracket. Go to the side, bend the second finger going around, and then the third finger going all the way around the arm, and then up and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the top of the arm. Just going to add a curve going up and out across the sleeves. Let's add a thin trim on the left side. And then we'll add a thicker trim on the right side for the captain's band. Let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Cristiano Ronaldo. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.